This is the startup sequence for the new 19C-1 electric mini excavator, which includes our unique to-go system, which makes it the safest on the market. The battery isolator is located here in the rear of the machine and must be turned on. Raise left-hand armrest. Climb into the cab using 3-point contact. Engage seatbelt. Key on to position 1. Disarm immobiliser if fitted. Start the machine by turning and holding the key in position 3. The blue motor run light will illuminate. Check all the warning lights have gone off. Lower the left-hand armrest. Press to go to activate the hydraulics. Using the rotary dial, select one of 3 digging modes, then operate the machine.